Hi, good evening. My name is Pordetta Fields Dixie, and I will be presenting on the policy and law relative to disability across five selective Caribbean countries shown in my poster for the introduction to special needs. This is the guiding principle for disability, which was adopted by the government in order to pro people that are differently able. It is legally enforced by the governing body. In this presentation, I will highlight the principle adopted by the government to protect persons who are uniquely or differently able. We will be discussing the dates, historic significance, and let's first look at Guyana Person with Disability Act, which was founded in 2010. The act represents Guyana's first comprehensive domestic disability law. Some benefits and opportunity which include access to private and public building through updated building code and improved access to education, transportation, healthcare, and employment. Some challenges include limited government resources, and inadequate accommodation for persons with disabilities. Secondly, I'll continue with the national policy on person with disability in Barbados. It was approved in 2023 by the cabinet. Its historic significance is whereby the policy present Barbados strong cabinet to the rights of inclusion and social protection for the disability community. Its benefit and opportunity include protection from discrimination, access to essential service, and opportunities for international cooperation. The challenges that follow are limited access, barriers in employment and education, and continuing discrimination. Thirdly, let's turn our attention to the Equal Opportunity Act in Trinidad and Tobago, which was established by legal and authoritative in 2000. The historic significance is whereby this act prohibits discrimination in education, employment, and services. Some benefits and opportunities are it provides legal protection from discrimination, it increase awareness in disability and promote inclusion. Some challenges also include limited jurisdictory power and the lack of focus on specific disability related needs. Fourth, let's go to the National Disability Policy in St. Lucia, which was founded by the National Council of Aid for Persons with Disability (NCPD) in 1981, by which the policy evolved over time and developed during the period of the early 2000s to the present age. Its historic significance improved national standard for disability inclusion. The policy main improvement and standard of care and inclusion for person with disability. Some benefit and opportunity are access through education and training, international support, and greater inclusion, while some challenges are poor infrastructure, limited resources, and social protection, also restricted access to service. And finally, I will go to the Disability Discrimination Act in Jamaica, which was passed in the year 2014 but came into effect in 2022. The historic significance is a major Caricom commitment to mainstream disability issue in recent policy. The benefit and opportunity include access to education and training, legal protection, especially after 2014 enforcement advocacy through agencies such as the Jamaican Council for Persons with Disability, the JCPD, and the challenges include limited access to employment and education, stigma and discrimination, limited infrastructure. These policy and law were signed by different participants. The Guyana Person with Disability Act signatories. The act was passed by the Parliament. The national policy of persons with disability in Barbados, the signatory was Caricom, the head of government. The Equal Opportunity Act in Trinidad and Tobago, the signatories documented the Equal Opportunity Act. The National Disability Policies in St. Lucia, the signatories, this was the Speaker for the House and the President. The Disability Discrimination Act in Jamaica, the signatories was Caricom, the head of state. Thank